rough plumbing, preparing to make here toilet, shower and vanity. Okay, have no connection. Try to reach storage system underground. Rent a saw because it's concrete thickness is probably 6 inches in some places. Beside those tools, I used a Bosch hammer drill and concrete cut saw, electrical one, because it's inside the house. Finally, I reach under pipe. Now it's clearly visible which kind of connection going to be T-shape. Working hard using many different tools, I liberate access to this underfloor sewerage system. Now it's clear what I need to buy to finish this job. Access for new connection is completely open and ready to go forward. I will need 2 white adapter for transition between this black pipe and green one, white adapters too. And I'm going to cut somewhere here on the middle and put T-shape adapter. Here is we are in process of the white ring inside. It's an adapter between different type of plastic pipe. Now in process of cutting it. So I did a successful installation this T-shape inside the existing sewerage system under the ground. Use the 2 type of glue. One of them is whatever and another ABS. He didn't do anything, okay?
It wasn't connected properly anyways, but it wasn't leaking.
Rough plumbing.
How can you fix it then? Now can you make it bigger? Oh, you know what?
Yeah, rough plumbing it's almost over. Now I connected for pipe for sewerage pipe for ABS for bed, shower bed. Shower bed is over there. Okay, it's over there. Is bottom of this shower bed. You see the drainage here, and yeah, it's like that. It's like that. All good. I'll put a gravel on the top, like I did with everything, and cement over. Yeah, it's like a pick. Let's install all 3 hoses: shower, vanity, and toilet.